Yes.
Oh.
Bahala. Drinks. Akong drinks. Coke na ito. Coke para zero.
Do you have sardine shake?
No, sir.
No? Being the capital of canned sardines, I mean, maybe they have sardine shake. Look hungry.
No.
Okay. So what do we get? What's this?
Fried shrimp. Tempura. Fish fillet with salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Really good.
I mean,
I like this.
oh, I thought it was your fried small fish. Yes, but there's shrimp.
And the shrimp. You need to eat now.
Yep.
Before I finish this.
Well, I have a pantry at home as well, so I don't worry. Do you feel like you're under the surface in the water? No, not really. It's a nice picture though, or a mural or a painting.
I'm finished now and then you're not stuck with.
Ay, Jesus! Ay, nako! So, happy tummy now?
Happy tummy and I think we need to move our ass.
Where are we going?
Because we pick up the recon for going to clean. So we can bring home and put that.
What's the stuff they have to check the freeze thing they have to check in a aircon?
I don't know what's the name of that. It's like a oil or something.
Oh. A good meal, huh? Again?
Huh?
A good meal here again.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really new.
Huh?
It's really new. Look new.
But it's not new.
It's very
Ikaw na lagi gidawnan. Gidawnan dahil gigamit. Dari bisita.
use only if we have it.
Huh?
Using only if there is visitor.
Okay. But you have to,
Right.
huh?
I will write right later.
Pag-deliver naman di ba? May pag-deliver naman.
Pa-deliver na. Deliver. They will deliver. Bilang charge. Wala.
Kalas.
At magsa-port bitaw niya na ibuliga sa hands pasulod.
Kalas port.
Port.
Oh,
Ito
port?
pa man sa port.
Port.
Sa sakyanan.
145 ang.
Ha?
245.
245. 145.
Sila rin mas. Dari mga karasik sa'yo.
Pero, wala. Nakuman nila po. Pwede pa unya
After
na.
that. Pwede na after yun. Mga sa'yo mo gusto sa deliver.
Kakap. What time? What time?
What time?
Yeah. No. They will
11:30.
No, they will deliver. 2?
When you want to be feed cold again?
Ha? Unsa oras sa?
1 p.m. Yung una lang, ibuton, pabalik nila, ayan na lang dahil deliver sa truck ka. Kalang taon, may taon. Gikan manukan, gikan sila manukan, ayan nila i-drop ng yung ma'am, okay na ma'am? No? Pero possible na mga oras sa alas.
Oh, na ano?
4 ang piyan na alas.
Para alas 2, ana. Nakadilig lang sa ron.
Diyan ka naman ha.
Do they take the old one away? Do they take the old one away? Huh? Do they take the old one away?
No, we take.
Why?
We will take.
We don't need it.
I will sell that one.
But it doesn't freeze. It's just an oversized pants.
I will sell to the one fixing the aircon. They will take the very big.
Okay. Ah,
Open the gate.
open the gate. Huh? There's one.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, but it doesn't open that much. Because you open the gate.
Layo pa dia? Ha?
Okay na na.
Huh?
I don't have this. Okay na na.
This aircon is very big.
Very big. I think it's too big. It's bigger than you.
That's very cold.
Yeah,
Yeah, you don't need to kick your legs
I cannot hit my legs.
because it's very cold.
Yeah, it's very nice aircon because I will never hit my legs.
Very nice.
You have new aircon now. You're happy?
Yeah.
Wait.
Georgie?
tubig ito hagbong.
Ah, okay.
Kaya kung malibil na siya, ang tubig na, dali mo na sulod.
What, it doesn't fit?
It's pit.
Huh?
Pit. Pit. Pit.
Pit, 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 pit.
Okay na?
Okay na?
Ganun.
Mommy,